Good morning. So, for science this week, we're going to continue talking about outer space and planets and other things like that. So, today we are going to talk about how do we study objects in space. Of course, we know we use telescopes, but there's some other things that we can use as well. So, what are some discoveries that Galileo made using telescopes of his time? How did Galileo discoveries change the way people thought of the moon and planets? These are some things that we're going to be able to answer by the end of this week. So, what instruments have helped sailors explore and navigate? An astrolabe, we've actually talked about this during social studies. The astrolabe is a very ancient astronomical computer for solving problems related to time and the position of the sun and stars in the sky. So it's kind of like a compass, um, maybe like an early version of one. A typical old astrolabe was made of brass and was about 6 inches in diameter, although much larger and smaller ones were made. Astrolabes are used to show how the sky looks at a specific place at a given time. This is done by drawing the sky on the face of the astrolabe and marking it so positions in the sky are easy to find. Typically, typically the use of astrolabes include finding the time during the day or night, finding the time of a um, event such as a sunrise or sunset, and as a handy reference to positions. Astrolabes were also one of the basic astronomic education tools in the late Middle Ages. So these astrolabes helped us determine positioning using the stars. So a sextant is another thing that was used, and I'm going to have a link for you to go and explore what a sextant is and how it was used. So, navigation by the North Star. The age of exploration, the open ocean was a dangerous place for mariners. Good navigation was vital for survival, and the North Star was important for getting around. How to find the North Star. You can find the North Star by locating two bowl stars of the Big Dipper, and it's kind of showing you in this picture. Follow those stars in this straight line to see the first bright star you see. That is the Polaris. So stars motion across the sky. Stars move across the night sky in circular arcs. This apparent motion is caused by the Earth spinning on its axis. The North Star is at the center of the spin, so it does not appear to move.